Okay, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is part 2 of my editing. I decided to show my face because I'm fine, and yes, that's what we're doing today. So we've already gotten this far with our color correction and we've added a bit of saturation and all into our videos, into our picture, sorry, picture. So now we're just going to go into the picture, and we're just going to do, first we're going to do our cleanup. Cleanup is very easy. You create a new layer, you pick on the healing brush, I say healing brush too, yeah, and then just remove the two parts that you do not like. Remember, it's not everything that we remove once we are doing our cleanup. It's not everything you remove. Remember that it's not everything you remove. And that's just that. We can leave this later. We can work on the textures ourselves. So now we're going to work on frequency separations. There are four different kind of frequency separation methods that I know. You know one, I know three, being that you only watch 5 minutes tutorials and I watch about an hour long tutorial. So I'm just going to make that hour long tutorial into like 10 minutes of this video, and that's what I'm going to do. What I'm going to be working with. So this is a retouching panel, and in the retouching panel I have frequency 2.0. That's what we call median. People call it frequency 2.0, but we call it median. So what we're going to do here, we're going to click on median, and it's going to use median instead of Gaussian blur. So you just the basics, everything. So we're just going to push it to the point where we don't see texture, and we are going to work with it that way. So this one itself, it saves more details for texture. You have more texture details and you have more colors, the better separation, and you have more edge control. So as we have that, I'm just going to speed up this part of the video, but I just want to show you the basics of frequency separation itself. So once you're using frequency separation, you're using the mixer brush tool. You can use my mixer brush settings over here. And all we're trying to do is we're just trying to blend the colors into the specific directions. Blend two colors together. Blend two colors together. That's all we are trying to do. We're not trying to do any kind of miracle or anything. We don't want to deform her face. We want to leave her face the way her face is. That's the model, and we don't want to change anything about the model. We don't want people to look at our image and say, oh wow, that's a very nice edit. We want them to say, wow, this picture was done well, beautiful portrait. That's what we want people to say. We don't want our model to start looking like an alien. That, you know. So I'm just going to speed up this part of the video, and yeah, just going to speed up this part. Okay, so there's one thing that I really want to talk about is that if you can look very well, I'm trying to avoid the highlights because we do not want to play with the highlights itself. Don't get your highlights messed up. You will lose the contrast that we're trying to get at the end of the video. So let's not mess with the highlights. Don't drag the highlights anyhow. Do not drag the highlights. Do not drag the highlights. We're just trying to mix colors together, and at this point itself, I believe we're alright. So another thing I've noticed is that I think someone was messing with my Photoshop brush, healing my mixer brush, because I don't think this is my mixer brush settings at all. It's too much on the flow. I don't like the flow. It's just too much. It's too much. Like, we need to work small and build up like that. Sometimes I like going down into the lips itself and just do a bit of frequency separation. Remember, we're not trying to drag colors across each other. We're just trying to blend them together. That's what we're trying to go for. And yeah, then also I'm going to speed up this process where I'm going to work on her body areas. Yes. Okay, I think I'm done, and I actually like how it's looking. Yeah, we definitely did a lot. We definitely did a lot. So I think I like how it's looking. So you guys can actually see just the power of frequency separation itself. Just the power of frequency separation. Yes, power of frequency separation itself.